Have you outgrown that small accountancy software? Is your legacy system holding you back on the path to digital transformation? Do you find it difficult to match your customer data with supplier information? You need SAP Business One. SAP Business One lets you keep control of your entire business. Personalized dashboards let you see the data you need when you need it. Zoom into profit, check your cash flow, find your most profitable customers, review your sales pipeline, and then drill down deeper into the detail with a single click. You can select from the preset key performance indicators, create a report for that board meeting in seconds. And with features like enterprise search, you can find anything you need fast. At SAP, we don't believe one size fits all. Your business is unique. At SAP Business one size fits one. All this without IT consultants. Take the path to digital transformation. Discover the small business management solution designed for you. Book your business review today.